Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to download Windows 10. You can use it on VirtualBox, or if you're going to set up a new PC. First, search this on your web browser, Windows 10 ISO download. Then select the first link that you see. Then press download. It's under the Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Then press this. After you have downloaded it, you will see this media creation tool. Then you install it, open it and install it. Then you will have the ISO file for Windows 10. It's like this. Then go to your VirtualBox, select new, then write a name. I'll put mine Windows 10, and select the ISO image, press other, search where you put your ISO file. I put mine in desktop so it can easily be seen. Press open, press next. I'll delete this because I made one earlier. Select the folder, press next, change your password, press next, select how many processors and base memory you want based on your computer. I'll put mine at 3 GB and we'll use 2 processors. Then press next and finish. And there you have it. You'll just wait until it starts up. Now we have installed the Windows 10. As you can see, you can use this ISO file right here. We're downloading in your VirtualBox. You can use it, or you can use it on your new PC, so you have your OS. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something here today. Goodbye.